Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using two of these easels from Dollar Tree and some of their plank wood. I started by removing the screws on the back that connect that little stand. I then take the piece that's connecting the top and then remove the center piece and set that aside because I will not be using it. I'll just be using the two end pieces on each easel. I take wood glue and glue those two pieces together, using some painter's tape to hold them in place while they dry. I take the stand and I'll be cutting it. I did not measure the size. I just kind of held it along the bottom, cut a piece off, and sanded both pieces. The smaller piece that I had cut will be glued 10 inches from the bottom of the stand, and the larger piece and then I set those aside to dry and took Sandstone chalk paint by Waverly and cover both pieces of plank wood with 2 coats. I waited about an hour for these to dry and then used Home Decor wax by Folkart and brushed the wax on both of the easels. Now I wanted to leave it a darker color, so I did not blend it in. I just brushed it on and left it as it was. But if you want a lighter color, you can use a baby wipe to wipe off the excess wax and it would be lighter. After everything was completely dry, I had started by putting wood glue on the bottom shelf of one of the easels. And to get the second shelf to stand up, I just put some clips on the bottom against my desk. And then I added some hot glue with the wood glue on both of those stands on the bottom little shelf. Placed down my plank wood. And I do end up clamping these and letting them dry completely overnight. But for now, it stays just fine with the hot glue. Then I do the same on the top shelf, wood glue and hot glue, and place down my plank wood. And that's it for this project. Super easy and cute. Thank you guys so much for watching.